Actionable Relationship Center helps visualize and manage complex client relationships. Actionable Relationship Center gives your team a single, visual way to see all related people and businesses. Eliminate tab switching to save time and uncover new opportunities to help clients. A dynamic hierarchical graph shows a client's complete network of connections, households, businesses, and contacts. Hover over any node to reveal key details, such as account name and total financial accounts. Show fields from multiple objects on one node to give your users more information about their clients in one unified view. Customize to view connections vertically or horizontally, with vertical options making deep hierarchies especially clear. Use contextual menus on the node to edit relationships or add action items directly. Use the Lightning App Builder to add, remove, or reorder components on a record page to give users a customized view of relationship graphs. You can also embed components into Experience Cloud pages, which extends powerful relationship insights to your partner users. Empower your team to build trust faster, provide targeted support, and drive significant business growth. Start using Actionable Relationship Center today to revolutionize your client engagement.